All right, you guys, I want to share some exciting news, y'all. And I'm just going to show y'all. I'm not going to slow buddy, but it don't even matter. This is not even the right address, so it don't even matter if y'all see the address. It was a whole ordeal this morning when they told me my package was delivered yesterday and I went to go pick it up. And it wasn't at that address where it was supposed to be, friend. Okay? So before I open this, I just want to let everybody know, like, I really, really appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. Like, I started doing crafty money bouquets and stuff like that at the beginning of the year, and it just blew up, and it blew up my YouTube channel. I got 100,000 subscribers in less than 6 months, okay? So at the beginning of the year, I said I was going to take YouTube a little bit more serious, and it really, really paid off. And the crazy part is how I really was able to gain so many subscribers. Phone tripping. But YouTube Shorts is what really helped me get to my goal and get subscribers. When you know you made it to YouTube, you already know it's a whole different ball game. Like, TikTok paychecks is good, TikTok shop, but YouTube is a whole nother thing. So I'm going to open this with you guys because you guys are the ones who helped me get here. So I do want to open this with you guys. Okay, so I haven't opened it yet, nothing like this. So I'm gonna pop the seal here in a minute. Let me pop it. So in order to get one of these, you have to have 100,000 subscribers, which is the silver award. And once you hit 100,000 subscribers, they automatically put your YouTube channel in review just to make sure it's not no copyright issues or anything like that when you get it. So as soon as I hit 100K, I woke up that morning, I had 100K, y'all. I instantly was trying to apply, and they was like, baby, you just made it. You just made it. Relax. So the review process for me took 7 days, and then they went on ahead and sent me my redemption code. And when you do your redemption code, they want to make sure that your name is spelled right. You tell them what to put on your plaque. Of course, you want to put your YouTube name, but you can put whatever name that you want or you feel comfortable with. You put it on there, okay? And then they're going to ask your shipping address and stuff like this. See, what I went wrong on mine is I put my P.O. box, and UPS does not deliver to a P.O. box, but YouTube didn't tell me that. It allowed me to put the P.O. box on there. So put an address because I was about to go to war for mine, okay? About to go to war. So this is the little cover thing it comes with. It says, do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th or your 1,000th subscriber? I don't even remember that part. It says, chances are you do, and we know that you will definitely remember 100,000 subscribers. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe just showed up or recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you built, okay? And then it says, so keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see you do the next, And it says, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Yes. Okay. Okay. And then it say this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate you to the fullest. Okay. So now the moment we've been waiting for. Look at her. And it got my name on it. I don't know if y'all can see the glare, but look at her. This is crazy. Like, I did my thug thizzle on this. Look at there, y'all. You know how the people be with the YouTube thing in the back of their videos and stuff. It's gonna be me. So prepare to be sick of me. This is how it looks, you guys. So it's called a play button, and it's really, really dope. This is a big accomplishment for me, and this is crazy. In less than 6 months, 100,000 subscribers. Like, y'all know how long it takes to build a community on YouTube? It's crazy. It's so crazy. Share the recognition by allowing your team to be. Oh, so if you have a team that like do your YouTube stuff, y'all can all have a plaque as well. This is crazy, y'all. I don't want no fingerprints, no hair on it, anything like that. And it's kind of, it got a little weight to it. It's not like super heavy, but thank y'all. I love y'all. Bye.